Fan talaga kami ng all-day breakfast places. And matagal ko nang naririnig tong Sunday's Cafe and Restaurant dito sa Marikina. So one weekend kahit mahaba yung pila, we decided to go there and try it. Hindi lang pala all-day breakfast yung in-offer nila na food dito. Apart from that, may mga Filipino dishes din sila and for family serving. But for us, we started our order with mozzarella sticks for $2.85. Actually, hindi naman siya sticks but squares and it comes with this beautiful marinara sauce. Mozzarella naman is talagang matabang pero this one has flavor so bibigyan natin to ng 4 na subo. The marinara is good too. We also have ordered the cereal chicken and waffles for 400 pesos. It comes with 3 big pieces of chicken and 3 pieces of waffles. Na-disappoint ako sa chicken kasi masyadong matigas yung breading plus hindi na siya ganun ka-juicy sa loob. As for the waffles naman, hindi rin ganun ka-impressive because I had better waffles in other places. I know this is one of their best sellers but for me, I had better chicken and waffles in other places so bibigyan lang natin to ng 3 subo. We also ordered pasta and we got this carbonara for $3.25. I super love the runny poached egg that goes with it. And it's very creamy and al dente yung pasta. Good flavors and I would say this is a decent carbonara so we would give it 4 na subo. One of the things that I also look forward na kainin dito is yung bacon slab breakfast nila for 320 pesos. Bagay na bagay yung garlic rice with this kaya lang nakulangan ako dun sa flavors ng bacon nila. Medyo bland for me so bibigyan ko ng 3 subo. Overall, the presentation, the quality of food, and the ambiance is totally okay. No wonder maraming kumakain dito lagi. Ito yung bill namin and for us, we would give Sundays 3 subo. May mga pwede pang improve sa food nila. So, follow us for more food and travel adventures. Yun lang, bye!